So basically, today I want to share my experience with SendinBlue. I tried this autoresponder basically because lots of marketers have spoken about it. There are plenty of features, there are plenty of people that have spoken about SendinBlue. You don't pay for a subscriber, but you pay only for the quantity for the amount of emails that you send daily. There are custom prices, whatever. So I give it a try and give it a try. And this is my results. Um, this is what happened. So let's go and remember to subscribe and to go to makemoneysendemails.com in order to learn how to make money online with emails, with nothing but emails in 2021.
Okay, here is the page of SendinBlue. The autoresponder was testing. See, this is the page. Take a test drive. That's basically the free offer with 300 emails per day included. So I tried this, and the opt-in page I showed to them was this one. Okay, simple two-step formula earns me it's about making money online niche. And if you click here, you just have to insert your emails, privacy policy, and everything like that. Okay, so here how it goes. But when you are in, this is your dashboard. So you have to complete this form. I imported 60,000 subscriber. It's one on my list, and okay, and this is the first email. So when you set up, when you register, they have to check your account. They have to check your account, and then you can import the contact. Once you import the contact, they check the account, the contact for the second time, and then as you see, once you start creating the first campaign, they will put you under another review in order to see if the contacts are legit or something like this. Is everything okay? This is the emails I've sent to them. I try to send to them. Okay, through this service. This is very basic emails, nothing very using which this is the best investment. Okay, try to advertise my opt-in page again, even if these contacts already knows it. So basically, I try a second opt-in confirmation. Okay, this is the first email. The second email that I received is this one. They are likely to ask me how these contacts got in my email list. The third email is another one. Then I reply to them as using my opt-in page, blah 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 blah. And after all of that, 1 business days, because it takes 1 business days to for them to check everything, which is very 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 strange. 1 business day for checking account, etc. That's what they said, but basically they've done it in 1 day. Okay, so they reply me that this is your account has been updated. Okay, each account is reviewed. After reviewing your content, the nature of your content, unfortunately we were not able to validate your account. We apologize for the content. We tried working with similar accounts in the past and found that it will experience unsatisfactory results. They treat me like I'm selling something strange, which is basically not, because I'm only selling making money online niche affiliate offers by very well-known marketers, and my offers, which now I get response, I got active campaign. No one ever complained for anything because I'm not spamming, not sending solo ads and everything. So this is my the response I received from SendinBlue, and above all, I can say that this can be very useful if you don't have an online business, maybe if you're not in this niche. If you have an offline business and you are trying to use this for the purpose to enhance your marketing campaigns. And you can track it even if with 300 emails per day is very few, because it's very less than what you really need, because even if you only have 1,000 subscribers, 300 are very low. So for now it's everything. If you're interested in making money online, go to makemoneysendemails.com and click here. There's a free training step by step along with daily tips. Okay, see you, and click the link below, subscribe to the channel.